Hey guys, so today I will be showing you my most updated wash and go routine. I'm starting off with freshly shampooed and conditioned and detangled hair. So now I'm just separating my hair into sections because it's easier for me to work that way. And as you can see, my hair is dripping wet right now, but I'm still going to spray the sections before I apply the product so it's even more saturated. For my leave-in, I will be using the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Conditioner from the Hibiscus line throughout all 4 sections. And this part is just pretty repetitive, so I just sped up this process. So now as my styler, I'm using TGIN's Miracle Repair Curl Food Daily Moisturizer. This has been very moisturizing to my hair, and it has castor oil and biotin in it, and I absolutely love it. It's a very thick butter, almost similar to Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie if you've ever used that before. So if you don't like thick butters to, weigh your hair down, then this might not be the product for you, but my hair loves it. Now on to my last step, and today I'm using the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Coil and Sculpting Custard. So this custard is very lightweight. It's nothing compared to Wetline Extreme Gel or Eco Styler Gel. It isn't that thick, but it's much more liquidy. Alright, I'm done now with applying those products, and this is what my hair is looking like. It's very shiny, the curls are bouncy, my hair isn't stiff at all, it has a lot of movement, and these two products work great together because they don't cause any flaking at all. And at this point, this is where I like to sit underneath the hooded dryer and let my hair just dry about 90%. And after I let it dry, this is what it looks like. It has so much shrinkage. I don't like it. I'm not a big fan of it. So I take my blow dryer and use it on the setting with hot heat and, the low pressure. And then I take my hair pick and I get to stretching out my hair to give it more shape. So as you can see right now, it has so much more shape to it and a little bit more volume and length, and I love that. I also decided to film for you what my hair looks like on day 2. It's not much of a big difference, which is good. That's really good. But this is just how I fluff it out for the next day. So I just take it out of my scrunchie and just fluff it out, whip my hair around a bit, pull it in pretty much any direction, just getting it to the shape that I like. So that concludes this tutorial, and thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos.